we stand before you today with broken hearts, but also with determination and urgent demand. Bring our children home. For 100 days, families have lived through unimaginable pains, anxiety, fear, suffering, following the abduction of their children and loved ones. Among those abducted are 42 peoples from Musabri Nursery and Primary School in Askra Uba local government of Borno State on the 15th of May 2006. On that day, some children were also abducted from Oyo State, from schools, where Oyo State schools children were subsequently rescued. The families of the Musa children are yet to be returned home to their loved ones. We also remember the abducted day secondary school children in Lassa, also in Askra Uba local government, who were abducted on the 29th of June 2026 while they were writing their NECO examinations in school. Reports and community records indicate that 36 students were abducted during that examination in Lassa. These children were abducted while pursuing their educational pursuits. Children whose primary concern was to seek education, who are anxious to complete their examinations and return home safely to build their futures. We are also demanding the immediate rescue of 38 persons, children and elderly, abducted along Buratai Road, as well as those taken along Chibok route and other major vulnerable routes across Borno State. They are not just statistics. They are children. They are human beings. They are people. They are parents. They are husbands. They are wives. They are families of mothers and fathers. They are not just statistics. Families are waiting, praying, crying for them every single day of their lives. Behind every number is a family whose life has been turned upside down. Behind every missing child is a mother waiting at the door. Every missing son or daughter is a father asking, what have happened to my child? What have they done to my child? Behind every missing husband or woman, a family struggling to survive with unbearable and unimaginable conditions, not knowing whether their loved ones are still alive or living. What are their conditions in the bush? 100 days is too long. 100 days without their children. 100 days of sleepless nights. 100 days of tears and fears. 100 days of uncertainty. 100 days of families asking one another simple question: where are our loved ones? And when are they coming back home? we want to make direct appeal to the President Ahmed Bola Tinubu. We respectfully call on His Excellency Bola Tinubu as Commander-in-Chief of the Federal Republic of Nigeria to urgently and we plead that you intervene and ensure that every available national security apparatus and resource is mobilized towards the rescue of these abducted children and citizens of Nigeria. Mr. President, these families have waited for 100 days. We recognize the enormous security challenges confronting our nation, and we appreciate this sacrifice being made by our security personnel. But the continued captivity of the innocent children and civilians cannot be allowed to become another unresolved case or a mere statistics. Mr. President, we ask, please bring our children home. Bring our children home. We ask the rescue of the Musa and Lassa children abducted in their schools, those abducted along Buratai Road, those abducted along Chibok Road, across Borno State, and other vulnerable people who are still in captivity to be rescued. We want to make direct appeal to the Governor of Borno State, His Excellency Babagana Umar Zulum. We equally call on you to use your good office to continue to use the full powers at your disposal and resource at your disposal and the weight of your office to praise for the immediate rescue of these children and all other abducted citizens. Your Excellency Governor Umar Zulum, these are children of Borno State. They are the sons and daughters of our communities. Their parents are waiting. Their families are grieving and suffering. Our communities are hurting. We therefore appeal to Your Excellency to work closely with the federal government, the security agencies, intelligence services, and all relevant authorities to ensure that every possible means and avenue is used to pursue until these children and other abducted persons are returned. The government must act now. The Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria recognizes the security and welfare of the peoples and citizens of this country as a primary purpose of government. It also protects fundamental rights, including the right of life, personal liberty, and protection. We are asking for the same commitment from our citizens. The protection of lives and property is not a favor to the citizens. It is a fundamental responsibility of every government. Our people should not have to beg for protection of their children or their peoples. Our children should not have to sit for examinations, wondering whether they will return home safely. Our families should not have to spend months, days, 100 days waiting for their children where they remain in captivity. If it could be done in Oyo State, it can be done in Borno State. We have seen what is possible when government and security agencies treat the rescue of children as an urgent national priority. We commend the federal government and security agencies for the successful rescue of the abducted school children and teachers in Oyo State. The victims who were abducted on 15th May 2026 were rescued on 10th July following coordinated intelligence-led operations involving multiple security agencies, and they successfully did it. But today we ask, why should the citizens, children, and a teacher and parents in Borno State wait for over 100 days for their children, 78 of them, plus abducted adults still in captivity? If government can mobilize necessary resources, intelligence, coordination by security agencies to rescue abducted school children elsewhere, we demand that the same urgency and treatment be meted out to our children. We demand determination and commitment be deployed to rescue our children and loved ones in Borno State. We are not asking for preferential treatment. We are asking for equal protection under the same law. We are asking for the same urgency that other people deserve, we also deserve. We are asking for the same efforts to be deployed. We are asking for the same commitment for the human lives in Musa, Borno State, and in Lassa and other parts of Borno State. We demand urgent and decisive action. We specifically demand, 1, the immediate rescue and safe return of our 42 people abducted from Musa Primary School in Borno State. Secondly, we demand immediate rescue and safe return of 36 students who are abducted writing their exams at Lassa in Borno State. We demand immediate rescue of 38 persons who were abducted along Buratai Road to Maiduguri in Borno State. We demand urgent action to rescue all other persons abducted along Chibok and Goza Road in Borno State. Regular transportation and credible communication affected families regarding efforts being made to release these children and other loved ones. We demand increased protection for schools, major roads, and vulnerable communities, especially bordering the Sambisa forest, so that no other family has to suffer this nightmare that we have experienced in Askra and our local federal constituency. A coordinated intelligence and sustained rescue operation involving all relevant security and intelligence agencies with the resource, authority, coordination, and necessary appliances to bring these innocent people back home. This must not be a normal demand. It is an urgent demand. We recognize the enormous challenge faced by our security apparatus in this direction. But we will not relent. We cannot allow it to go silently after these 100 days. We cannot allow our children to disappear from public life. Attention has to be paid and has to be turned to them. Their lives matter. Their educations matter. Their families matter. Their future matter. Their communities are looking forward to their rescue. To the families of the abducted, you are not forgotten. Your pain is our pain. Your children are our children. Your brothers and sisters are our brothers and sisters. Your husbands, wives, and the rest of them are part of our community. We will continue to speak. We will continue to ask. We will continue to demand. And we will continue to call up all of them to be returned safely. Every single person who was taken as captive. To our children who are in captivity, you may not hear us. You may not be aware of what we are going through. Your families are waiting for you. We are waiting for you. Your communities are waiting for you. Nigeria is awaiting you. We believe you will come home. We trust you will be home. Our final message, this is not about numbers. This is not about just human lives. This is not just about children. This is not just brothers and sisters. This is not about our wives and husbands. This is not just about husbands and fathers. This is about families who have suffered 100 days, counting today, 101 days, without their loved ones, without their children. Government exists to protect its citizens. The Constitution recognizes the security and welfare of people as primary purpose of government. Therefore, we say respectfully and unequivocally, bring our children home. Bring our children home. Return our children home. Rescue our children. We thank you.